Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify content syndication issues using Canonical strategy, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what content syndication is. Content syndication involves republishing content across different platforms. This can lead to potential duplicate content issues. To address these, we will use the Canonical tag strategy. First, identify the original piece of content. This is the main source you want to pass authority to. Next, look for other platforms where this content is syndicated. Check whether those platforms properly implement canonical tags. A canonical tag tells search engines which version of a page is the primary one. Open the syndicated pages in a browser. View the page source to find the canonical tag. Search for the link rel equals canonical element. If it's missing, this could harm your SEO. If the canonical tag is present, ensure it points to the original content. Verify the URL in the canonical tag matches the original source exactly. Check for correct formatting and spelling in the URL. Next, use tools like Google Search Console to assess indexing issues. Look for any warnings related to duplicate content. Analyze the traffic of both the original and syndicated pages. Compare engagement metrics to understand user behavior. If the original page's performance is declining, consider adjustments. Ensure the original content is updated regularly. Promote the original piece through strategic marketing efforts. Create backlinks to strengthen its authority. Monitor the search performance over time. Keep track of any changes to syndication practices on partner sites. Regularly audit your content syndication strategy for effectiveness. Adjust as necessary to prevent future duplication issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.